Challenge number 30. It's follow up with challenge number 29 as part of the Grand Prix. And that's probably explains why some of the data, 2015 data is used for the second part. Now, what we have the input data set from the previous round, or the columns with the team ranking. There's a bunch of questions we try to ask. So we're looking for youngest team and what's average age. That should be doable. Group by team, average age. Then sort, filter. Team with the best lowest. So the lowest average rank. That's fine. You have the rank column, group by team. You find average rank, sort as well. Pearson. Then we have on top data investigation. You have a Pearson correlation tool. So we column the team rank and the hitter rank. So that should be fun. It's the last one looks a bit complicated. That. So the last one we're looking for by their positions. So we want to count how many play in the position, sum from the home run, and the sum the wins. Ordered by team rank. Last is fun. We can find aggregation. We can find the team rank. It's the positions. Now that's curious. Do they have position? Also, we have position. So we're looking for a pivot table. Da, 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 da. Okay, yeah, probably doable. Let's try each of those. So it's Grand Prix. You probably want to do everything in one go instead. Youngest team average player. So one group by team. Mm. So one group I find the team. We're looking for the average. You wanted the youngest average age. Then you want to sort on the youngest average. Then you want to sample the first. Lowest pitch rank. You just copy it. Probably just change some buttons. You want the team with the best average pitch rank. So average age, we have the pitch rank. We're looking for the average of this thing. We're looking for the lowest. We want to sort by the pitch rank. So assign this sample first. That should be fun. Pearson correlation. We're looking for Pearson correlation. We're looking for Craney. We're looking for what 2015 team rank and hitter rank. That was a peer correlation. Build a table. It's a table we want to build. So it's long format. We want to pivot to wide, long to wide. Oh, space. So long to wide. What do you want? You want for each fantasy team, group by fantasy team. What's your position you play? Position. Then you want to count how many players you have for that position. So probably count. We can count how many players we have. This can produce column. We need to aggregate later. So we probably want to group by those things and count. Uh, yeah, we need to group by count first. So you want to group by your fantasy team. Then you want to group by your positions. What's the position? Position. You want to group by positions. We care about player. We want to count. Probably count the distinct player they have. Once I counted, you've grouped by your positions, and you should have a count distinct player. You want to sum. Ba, 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 ba. Let's just run it. You want the sum home runs and for hitter. Let me just do those. I think you can probably do a pivoting together, but particularly in competition, in the Grand Prix competition, it's a bit stressed. Just use whatever a solution you can think and try to solve it. So we'll group by currently. You want to do what? The sum home runs for team. Home runs, batting average. You have home runs. You want to sum it, and the sum of wins by the pitch. Wins sum. Because with the fantasy team, we can always group those things together later. You on the order by 2015 team rank. And the team rank follows the fantasy team should be 4K. The final answer we're looking for those things. So I think I can pivot table to produce this thing. Team rank is there. I can group on fantasy players sort that. So it's a join tool on the team. So I'm gonna join on the fantasy team, blah blah blah, fantasy team. You probably want to sort on the order as well. Team rank ascending. I don't even want to check the answer. I will probably just connect those things directly to the final answer to see if it works. If it doesn't work, then you try to troubleshoot it. The first one, yeah, maybe. The second one, dollar, okay. Minus 1.8, minus 1.8. Then the last one, you want to sort, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So we'll stop the video. Now we'll see how long that takes me to do. So just like the second part, want to make sure to make into the challenge. I think is not very hard. This particular one, the general idea you under a stage performance, you probably have chance to look the data structure ahead. Those questions itself, particular group by min, average, sort, it's almost standard. You should be able to visualize what the tools you need for the step. Unless something messed up, otherwise the first two is okay. The last one for the Pearson, I know the tool. I may not remember top of my head what's the output of it, so I will still drag it. If the output is down, I can probably drag a select filter later to select column or select rows. The final table is always annoying ones. In my head, I was thinking all those things is counting. Anything to do with counting, it's like a pivot, like a group by. You, I presume they can do it previously, just long to wide to get a position out. Then you can count. I think count is an option in pivoting. But in the competition, I wouldn't bother to check. I would just do it one way I can think. So I try to do two summarize. Then I know I can join on the fantasy team. The rank is there. No sum, you just have to, in a way, hope for the best. Hopefully, it's the correct number. You sum it. If it doesn't match up, tough luck. Then you have to probably take time to troubleshoot. On the stage, more or less, luck play a big part. If you did it exactly where I think everybody can do the workflow as it is. It's just about hope for the best luck, not make a mistake somewhere. Even like sorting, you miss one column, it take a while to troubleshoot. You will figure out eventually, but the time constraint, it will be a more demanding task. Okay, so that's a little bit side comment after the challenge yourself. Uh, Usually, when you get good on there, you can just click all the tools, so you probably know what's the input, what's the output. It's like playing chess. You can think a few stages ahead. Most of the tools here, you can see they can pass the column information down the string. So I think that's why they don't have a dynamic rename in it. Otherwise, that post prevents you to continue to carry on. You know your particular summarize, you know the column header, you know the pivoting you're going to have, which column come in, which column goes out, and make it doable to just build all the tools without even bother to check each stage. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching.